In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and, of course, select some text. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new text block over here, and I'm going to drag it out like this, and I'm just going to type in sample text. Now, here you want to highlight it, and then over here you have a bunch of different options. You can change its size over here. You can change the type, so the position. It can be absolute, relative, fixed, or sticky. Then over here, you can, of course, go ahead and select different effects. You could make, for example, you could make it appear, hover, press, loop, drag, whatever you want to do over here. You could put on different overlays, cursor, etc. But then here, where you can see style, you could also go ahead and change its transparency. You can make it visible or not over here. You could go ahead and transform it, which means you can basically rotate it like that. So as you can see, if I want to, I have styles over here, which is just like whichever style you want it to be. So for example, style or heading, body, or whatever, I'm just going to make it heading 4 right now. You can add colors in here. So for example, let's say you want to make it like red-ish over here. You can align it to wherever you want. You could go ahead and of course add in scroll sections, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can actually do in here with this specific text. Now here with this text block selected, of course, you can come back anytime and you can just go ahead and change different things regarding this specific text box over here, and of course you can then change it, move it around, and do whatever you want with it. So that's how to edit text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.